Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be diving into one of the most powerful tools for identifying strong trends and pinpointing exact support and resistance levels. Okay, so in this video, we are going to be discussing the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator. All right, the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator is what we're going to be discussing in this particular video. Okay, so if you have been looking for a way to make more informed trading decisions with better accuracy, then this tool could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator? Let us just start by breaking down what the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator actually is. This indicator is designed to help traders spot strong trends and highlight key levels of support and resistance. You can see that resistance levels are identified by the red shade, while support levels are identified by the green shade, right? And then you will see that the indicator also gives precise entry points with the aid of arrows. You will see that the green arrows are for buys, the red arrows are for sells. Okay, now the indicator is designed to help traders spot strong trends and highlight key areas of support and resistance. It uses advanced algorithms to track price movements and provides clear, actionable signals on when to enter and exit trades based on trend strength and key levels in the market. So, in short, the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator gives you two crucial pieces of information. One is the strength of the trend and the exact levels of support and resistance, as we can see right here on the chart. You're going to notice that the indicator makes use of lines, right? In addition to those lines, it also gives you support and resistance zones, the red zones and the green zones, right? And gives you arrows, giving you precise entry points. So this indicator is very beginner friendly. Okay, it's a very beginner friendly indicator. This combination allows you to make better decisions on when to buy or sell, keeping you on the right side of the market and reducing the risk of getting caught in reversals. Now, how does the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator actually work? The key feature of this tool is its ability to identify the strength of a trend with high precision. So by analyzing price data and market momentum, it provides signals when a trend is either gaining strength or beginning to lose momentum. But that is not all. Yeah, the indicator also marks exact levels of support and resistance. So these are the price points where the market has historically reversed or stalled. Remember that a resistance zone is a zone where price has been rejected or has stalled at least 2 times in the past. All right, so that's an area where price is being prevented from going further upward. Okay, so you can see this was a resistance zone. Price was prevented from going further upward. Instead, this resistance was serving as a ceiling, causing price to come back down whenever it gets there. Okay, while a support is an area where price is prevented from going further downwards, right? For example, you can see what happened here. Price is prevented from going further downwards. You can see what happened here. You can see here. So note that when a resistance is broken, it turns into a support. And when a support is broken, it turns into a resistance. So that's the reason why even the green and the red zones can be interchanged, right? They can be switched, because support zone turns into a resistance once it is broken, and a resistance zone turns into a support once it is broken. Okay? So having these levels marked clearly on your chart helps you make smarter decisions about your trades, like identifying the best entry points and setting stop losses or take profits at strategic levels. For example, let's say you get a buy signal around here, you enter your buy trade after you get your confirmation. You can set your stop loss below the previous swing low or below the support zone that has been identified. Let's use an example where support was identified. Okay, let's say now you got a buy signal around here, you enter after confirmation, set your stop loss below the support zone, right? Or even directly below it if you want a tight stop, right? And then your take profits can be at resistance. Okay, then you also pay attention to the indicator lines, obviously, in addition to the arrows, because you can see here we had a buy signal with arrow, and then after confirmation is when you enter. And then of course you ensure that price is trading above the indicator lines for a buy signal. But if it's for a sell signal, ensure that price is trading below the indicator lines. The indicator crossover is also another signal that validates the buy move or the sell move. For example, see that there was a bearish crossover around here. This was a time to enter a sell. There was a bullish crossover around here. It was a good time to enter a buy. Even though that the buy move didn't last for too long, it got rejected around this resistance. Okay, here again, we had a bullish crossover. We had a green candle, a bullish crossover, a green arrow pointing upwards, and then you can see price getting rejected around the support. So this was a great place to enter a buy. Okay. And then when you are using the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator, it's important to understand how to read the support and resistance levels it provides. Support levels are price levels where the market has bounced higher in the past, and resistance levels are where the market has reversed lower, okay, like I already described. When the indicator shows a strong uptrend, you will want to use the support and resistance levels to guide your trades. If the price is trending up and approaching a resistance level, you might consider wanting to wait for a pullback or use the resistance as an exit point for a long trade. So if you are in a buy trade and then you notice, you set your stop loss below the previous swing low, you notice that price has gotten to a resistance zone, you can just exit your buy trade. All right, to be on the safer side. Similarly, if the market is in a downtrend and approaching a support, for example, entering a sell after you got this signal, setting your stop loss, perhaps if you want a tight stop loss, perhaps here, and then you take profit, you can just perhaps use support zones, right? When you notice that price is already approaching the support zone, you want to consider exiting, right? For example, you can see when price was approaching this particular support here, you could have considered exiting your sell. So why should you use the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator in your trading strategy? The answer is simple. It helps you trade with more confidence by providing clear signals about the market's direction and critical price levels. So with this indicator, you are not just blindly guessing where the market might go. You have precise data showing where the trend is strong and where the market is likely to face resistance or find support. Now, this can give you a huge advantage, especially in volatile or unpredictable market conditions. So how can you use the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator in your daily trading routine? First, you make sure to keep an eye on the trend strength. When the indicator shows a strong trend, that's your signal to follow the direction of the market. You use the support and resistance levels to pinpoint your entry and exit points, making sure to protect your trades with stop losses at key levels. You can also combine the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator with other tools in your trading arsenal, like moving averages, candlestick patterns, and the rest of them for more confirmation. The more data you have supporting your trade, the higher your chances of success. To summarize, the Kalman Trend Levels Indicator is an incredibly powerful tool that combines trend strength analysis with precise support and resistance levels. By using this indicator, you can make more informed trading decisions, stay on the right side of the market, and improve your overall strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to ring the bell icon so you're always updated with the latest trading tips and tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll dive even deeper into powerful trading strategies to boost your success in the Forex market. See you in the next video.